Emilio Ernest Delgado was an American actor and singer best known for his role as Luis, the fix-it shop owner, on the children's television series Sesame Street. Delgado joined the cast of Sesame Street in 1971 and remained until his contract was not renewed in 2016 as part of Sesame Workshop's retooling of the series. Following his departure, the workshop stated that Delgado would continue to represent them at public events. Delgado also appeared as Luis in the TV special Sesame Street's 50th anniversary celebration. He began his professional career in Los Angeles in 1968. Delgado lived in New York City with his wife Carol and also served on the board of directors at the Bayard Rustin Center for Social Justice, an LGBT safe place, community activist center, and educational bridge dedicated to honoring Bayard Rustin through their mission and good works. Delgado was born in Calexico, California to Emilio Delgado and Carmen Rodriguez Delgado on May 8, 1940. He was raised in his grandparents' house in Mexicali, Mexico, with his poor extended family. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.